the digital body will definitely offer a lot of openings, both in the curriculum, in the studying teaching process of anatomy, and also in surgical research like virtual labs, distant surgeries.
Topic, that is heart. This is the heart. We'll see about the atrium and two ventricles. So the inferior, then through the inferior part, superior part, and the anterior and posterior cardiac valve and the cellular valves. So that is DSN. So it is between the it is very difficult to get the cadaver first of all, and second thing, when we go and we can inspect the things in a group, like a 10 or 15 students only can learn the things in one cadaver. But if it is a three-dimensional 3D picture or something like that, so a vast large number of students can learn this at a time. The time consuming and this all this it will be available, economy of the things also we can see.
We only get some of knowledge about the cadaver, but we are not able to visualize all those things. That is main arteries, veins, only just an all view only we got. So explained nicely. That time we were able to know what about things are present, and but not in detail. But we have to, if you have to know more, we have to watch it for more times. It is more than 5 times we have to come in contact with all those things.
Operating on a patient, well, you should know the regional anatomy very well. What are the structures? The structures you should protect, the structures you can sacrifice, these sort of things. So every surgeon will revise his anatomies before his surgeries. And this is an ideal situation where you can, revise your anatomy in the correct sense. Say three-dimensional, as if you're operating on a patient. You can see the structures and
ഇതുകൊണ്ട് തന്നെ കുറഞ്ഞോളൂ.